Hello, welcome to the session Computer Network Layer Gate Questions. At the end of this session, students will be able to solve a computer network problems. Now, Gate 2015, one question we will be taking on the network layer. Here, the routing table at the IP route they are given. Here network numbers are given first, then network mask is given so that we can find out the network number, and then its next hopping will be there. So here we are having group 1, so some IP addresses are provided, and here group 2, which are from this network. They are provided interface 0, interface 1, R2, R3 and R4. So here for each IP address in group 1, identify the correct choice of next hop. Means this group number is there and what will be the next hop from this group 2 using the entries from the routing table. So basically when we are in the network, we are maintaining routing table. Routing table means from one node to another node or from one network to another network, how to move. So that table will guide you. So here in that routing table, we are having the network number as here it is provided, and if I want to be use this network, what network mask will be there, it is provided here. So every network is having some different mask. Here 255, 255, 254.0, that is the network number. 0 is 128.96, 170.0. So like this last one, if you see 128.96, 164.0, and its masking is 255, 255 and 252.0. So here some other network are given or they want to travel into the network. So we have to find out which interface or which next routing will be possible from this table. So here some combinations are given. So before going to match the combination, we will see how it works. Now in this case, we are having this destination IP addresses, these IP addresses of incoming packet, and what we have to do to find out to the in the particular network we are eligible or not, we are converting it into the binary number. So all the binary we will be converting into the binary number and then mask with the longest prefixed network. So this mask will be used and we will check which is the maximum length possible, it will be the matching. If it is not matching, otherwise we will check input address. If output address is not matching, then we will check input address for the longest prefix matching, and if no matching found, then default network, you can see here one network is showing that it is a default network. So we can use that particular default network. So these are the rules. So before that, one more thing I will make you clear, that what is this subnet. In the subnet, we are having subnet, we have already seen that we are dividing the network at the host side. So total network address is there and then host address is there. The host address we can divide and we can make it subnet. So in that we are converting that a big network into the sub networks. As last time I told, that is IT department, civil department, make department. So that will be the total WIT network will be there, and then in that WIT college will be having different networks, that will be sub networking will be there. Now here you can see that whatever the IP address is there provided, it is converted into the binary. And if I want to find what is the network address from this, then what I will do, I will check with that masking address. That network masking address will be there with the help of 1. So here up to where the 1 is there, my masking is there. Here 255, and then 126, 128 plus 64. So that much masking will be there, and I'm putting the 1, and whatever I'm finding this up to this, you can see 8, 8 and 2. So 18 bits are there for the networking address. We are extracting networking address. And if we want to find out the host address, then we will put here zeros. So this side we are having this host address. Now remaining 8, 8 and 2, so these we will be excluding 18 bits, and remaining whatever the bits are there, this 8 plus these 6 bit, 14 bits will be for the host. So this address will be for the particular host. So in this manner we are finding the network address and host address. Now in this question the same thing we are going to apply. Now first I will find out for this group 1. Group 1, I am having network addresses 128, 96, 171 and 92. Now I will find the eligibility for this into any of the network. So first what I will do, I will take first masking, and I will mask it with this 128, 96, 177 and 92, and masking is 255, 255, 254.0. Now these two are everywhere, it is the same network address. So we are just finding out these 8 bits. So when we are masking it with this first one, we will see that what the address we have found is 128, then 96, then 170.0. Now here this address 170 is matching from this, that is the next hop will be interface 0. So here 128, 96, 171, 92, this address we have found, and that is the interface 0. So 1 is matching with A. So here 1 is okay. Now next, for the next, here we will see we already found this match for 1, 128, 96, 167 and 151. For this one already we have checked. So the second match we will see here 155, 155, 254.0, and here 128, 96, 167 and 151. Again we are masking with this 8 bits only, not necessary every bit is needed. So after that we are found that 128, 96 and here 166. Okay, so this we have converted 166.0. So here it is matching with R2. So this one next hop will be the R2. So first we have matched with A, second we are matching with C. Now like this we will find for the third one. In the third one the address is 128, 96, 163 and 151. So we will be matching one of this 255, 255, 254 first. So here 255, 255, 254.0 and our address here 128, 96, 163 and 151. So here we are finding that 128.96.162.0 and 162 we are not matching anywhere. So again here what we are doing, we are finding with another, that is 152. Here 152 we have found, we are taking the mask and again we are doing that. So here we are finding again 160. Now 160 here, nowhere 160 is there. So as we discussed that if it is not matching with any one of this network, then we have to go for the default network. So it will be match with R4. So here C will be match for R4. 2 is R3 and 1 is A. Okay. So next, now this is the last remain. You try for matching from one of this network. Pause the video and you find out where it will be match. Okay, for this, now here I have going for this matching. So here it is a 165. We have converted that into the binary and it is after masking it is finding out 164. Now here 164 is here, that is the R3. So fourth one is matching with D. So here you can see that whatever first A, 4D, second C and third one is E. So we are finding the answer for this gate question is like this. So the matching here. So this about the gate question 2015, how to find out our router is matching with other router or not. So references. Thank you.